What's up, art enthusiasts, tech wizards, and creative minds? Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamt of seeing your hand-drawn sketches leap off the page and into photorealistic masterpieces, then you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary. We're going to transform simple pencil sketches into stunning, lifelike images using the incredible power of Nano Pro, supercharged by Gemini Pro. No more hours spent rendering, no more complex software. Just pure, unadulterated creative magic. And trust me, you're not going to believe your eyes. We all start with an idea, right? A quick doodle, a concept sketch on a napkin. But what if that raw idea could instantly become a professional-grade visualization? Get ready to have your mind blown. Let's jump straight in. Okay, so here we are in the Nano Pro interface. It's clean, intuitive, and incredibly powerful. First things first, we need to import our hand-drawn sketch. As you can see, I've got a quick sketch here, nothing fancy. Now, this is where the magic begins. First, ensure your hand-drawn sketch is uploaded to the Nano Pro platform. Second, input your prompts to begin the visualization process. Now, all we have to do is hit the Submit button. Nano Pro, powered by Gemini Pro, uses advanced AI to understand your drawing, interpret its depth, shadows, and forms, and then reconstruct it in a photorealistic style. I've been obsessed with getting realistic shots lately. The secret for Nano Pro is basically treating it like a real photo shoot. I focus on structural integrity and how the light hits the surfaces. You really have to call out the focal length and materiality in the prompt to get those crisp, professional results. I've dropped all the prompts in the comments section below. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my upcoming tutorials. Are you kidding me? Look at that. From a few squiggly lines to this breathtaking visualization in seconds. The details, the lighting, the textures, it's absolutely incredible. Finally, you can download the visualization image by clicking the download button. Here's the visualization image. We've transformed the hand-drawn sketch into this photorealistic masterpiece. Seriously, I get goosebumps every time I see this happen. Imagine the possibilities. Architects, game designers, illustrators, hobbyists, anyone can now bring their concepts to life with unprecedented speed and realism. Let's try another one. Here's a quick modern house sketch. We upload the hand-drawn sketch to Nano Pro and bam! A fully rendered, lifelike photo. It is a magazine-worthy shot. Now, you might be thinking, how does it do that? And that's where the secret sauce of Gemini Pro comes in. Gemini Pro's multimodal capabilities allow Nano Pro to understand not just the lines, but the intent behind your drawing. It fills in the blanks with contextually relevant details, textures, and lighting, making your vision a reality. It's true AI interpretation and generation, and the best part? It's incredibly user-friendly. But what if you want a bit more control? Nano Pro also offers some fantastic refinement options. Let's say we want to adjust the time of day or the material of a certain object. We can tell Nano Pro to make this wall brick instead of concrete, or shift the lighting to a beautiful sunset glow. Look at that instant update. The level of detail and control, even after generation, is truly next level. This isn't just a tool, it's a creative partner. From this to a photorealistic masterpiece in seconds. This is going to change the game for so many creators. No more spending days or even weeks on complex renders. Get your ideas out there, fast and stunning. If you're as blown away as I am, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more mind-blowing tech tutorials. Think of the projects you can accelerate: client presentations, concept art, personal projects. The sky's the limit. Nano Pro with Gemini Pro is not just a tool. It's a superpower for your creativity. I want to hear from you. What are you going to create first with Nano Pro? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've already tried it, share your experiences. All the links you need for Nano Pro and more resources will be down in the description. Go check it out, start transforming your sketches, and let your imagination run wild. Thanks for watching, everyone. Keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.